Routing outgoing calls through a cellular channel. This tutorial explains how to create dialing rules for outgoing calls. In the example provided, a dialing rule that routes certain calls through a particular cellular channel is created. Begin by opening Connecto's browser-based management interface. In a web browser, navigate to Connecto's IP address and log into the system using your username and password. The user account must have administrator permissions. When you are logged in, the management interface homepage opens. Start by checking that cellular channels are activated in the Connecto system, are registered, and have a high enough level of reception. You can see this information in the homepage under External Lines. We recommend a minimum reception level of -90 dBm. If the cellular channels are active and registered and reception is sufficient, you can begin configuring the dialing rule. In the home page, under Services, click Voice. The Extensions screen opens. The Extensions screen shows a list of the existing PBX extensions. In the top navigation menu, click Outgoing Calls. The Outgoing Calls screen opens. Dialing rules for outgoing calls are created and edited in the Outgoing Calls screen. We're going to create a new dialing rule to route outgoing calls with the prefix 054 via cellular channel number 1. Click the New Dial Plan Entry link. The Edit Dial Plan Entry screen appears. In the Edit Dial Plan Entry screen, in the Dial Pattern field, enter the prefix 054 followed by a period. The period means that all digits following 054 in the target number are relayed as is. If you have to specify a fixed dialing format, you can use the wildcards listed under Pattern Syntax. For example, you can use an uppercase X to represent any single digit in the number. Thus, to allow exactly 7 digits after the 054 prefix, you can enter 054 followed by 7 uppercase X's, 054 and 7 times X. In our example, we will use the period. In the Main Route section, under Line Group to Use, you can select the required external line. Select GSM1 to choose Cellular Channel 1. The screen can also be used to manipulate the destination number. To add or remove digits from the beginning of the dialed number, and to specify an alternative external line for use when the selected external line is unavailable. For example, we can specify Cellular Channel 2 as an alternative for the Cellular Channel 1. When you have finished setting the settings, click OK. The Outgoing Calls screen opens again, and you can see that the new dialing rule has been added. Click Close to return to the home page. Now you can test your settings. Launch the soft phone application and dial any number that starts with the 054 prefix. If the dialing rule was configured properly, the destination phone should ring.